To begin, simply open the program. The layout shown above here is different from the default, but make sure you at least have the timeline displayed, as this would be critical for the rest of the tutorial. Start by clicking File in the menu bar, select Import, and then Image. I will use this final rendered image from a previous project, but feel free to use any image you would like, as long as PENCIL2D can recognize it. Once you import your image, you have the option from the drop-down menu to choose how the image should be placed on your canvas. I recommend the default option, Center of Canvas. Select OK to finish the import. Now that we have imported our image, we will need to hold our image long enough to animate our camera. To do this, we will need to duplicate our frame. After duplicating our frame, click and hold on the frame and drag it to frame 72. Select the camera layer and add an extra frame in the camera layer as well and move it to frame 72. While in the camera layer, select the Move tool to activate the camera. As you can see, there is one white square in each corner of the camera. Click on one of these corners and drag it inwards towards the center of the image. To move the camera around, click inside the smaller red square and drag it to the desired section of the canvas. Grab the circle above the smaller square and move it to rotate the camera. Pay close attention to the options panel on the left side of your screen. Scroll down to see options for camera path. Click on Show Path to enable it. Drag the camera again to see the camera path. Navigate to the second keyframe, resize, and move the camera in position for the very last frame. In order to preview the camera motion, click and drag along the tick marks in the timeline to scrub through the animation. Alternatively, you can click on the loop icon and enable looping for the animation, as well as click play. To adjust the spacing of the camera, right-click the first keyframe to access the set of options. Select and preview your animation by using the various options for your camera path. When finished, go to the menu bar and select File, Export, and then Movie. All the settings here are satisfactory. Only change the location of the file if needed by selecting Browse. After selecting the desired settings, click OK to export your movie. The movie has been exported. Finally, either click Yes to open the file or click No to close the notification window.